Now, good morning, students. Now, let us start the properties of determinants. By using this property, so many questions there. That very important 5-mark question. Very important 5-mark question. The first property, the value of a determinant is unaltered when its row and columns are interchanged. Unaltered means unchanged. For example, I will give an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will expand. Suppose 0, 7 will come. For example, the row is converted to column. The 1 to 3 no, is converted to column 1 to 3 here. 4, 5, 6, second column. 7, 8, 9, third column. Now expand. The same answer will come. In this way, if you the value of determinants unaltered, unchanged, when its row and the columns are interchanged. The first row is converted to first column, second row is converted to second column, third row is converted to third column. Then expand, we will get the answer same. That's the problem. If any two rows or columns of the determinants are identical or interchanged, interchanged what does it mean? Suppose same thing, A, B, C is there, P, Q, R is there, O to D is there. Suppose you will change the sign. Interchange that. Suppose I will change any two rows or column. Suppose this is the first row, this is the second row. Interchange B, Q2, get A, B, 1. The third one is unchanged. What do you do? The first row and the second row are interchanged. Value will be equal but opposite sign. Change the sign only. Change the sign only means, suppose this is the answer to me, this answer to minus 2, in this way will come. But you will change the interchange. Any two rows are called the interchange, but the value will be negative. What property? Next property. Third property, if the determinant has two identical rows, here 1 to 3, again 1 to 3, here whatever may be. Here whatever may be. Therefore, the first column and the second column are same, no, total is 0. Without expansion, directly put 0. Not only column, any two rows or columns are having the common, that is identical mean. Identical means the value of that is 0. Another property, if all elements of the row or columns are, the determinants are multiplied with constant k, the value of the determinant also multiplied with k. If all the elements are row or column, for example, here 1, 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 suppose. Suppose you want to multiply here k mean, here k, here k, here k. Automatically here the value no. Suppose this is a. The given value is what? 1 to 3. This is a suppose. Or here any one of the rows or any of the columns are multiplied k mean the determinant is also multiplied k. That is the answer. In this way. Suppose you multiply k mean this case multiply determinant of a mean this case multiply by any one of the row or any one of the column. That's important. Not all. Suppose if it is matrix mean this bracket means what? Matrix. Am I got that? K mean the k here. This case multiply all elements. That is called matrices. Matrices. But here doesn't mean that k is multiplied by any one of the row or any one of the column. Depends upon the question actually. Sometimes you want to multiply all the any one of the row or any one of the column. Next one, if each element in a row or column of determinant is expressed as the sum of the two or more terms. For example here, A plus B, B plus C, C plus D. 1 to 3, 4 to 6. Here actually in first column, this column no, sum of the two terms are there. Am I right? This can be expressed as sum of the 1 to 3, the 4 5 6 8, no change at all. Again 1 to 3, the 4 5 6 no change, no problem, no change at all. But here, what are the A plus B, B plus C, C plus D, no? What are the first element? A, B, C. In this way, you will find first element. Next is what? B, C, A, no? B, C, A. In this way, you will find second determinant. In this determinant, sum of the two or more terms involved mean you will split it to express the determinant can express as sum of the two or more determinant of the same order. In this way, you want to split it. Next one, The value of the denominator is unaltered. When the constant is multiplied by the elements of any two rows or columns are added to the corresponding elements of a different row or different column of the denominator. Suppose R1 is multiplied by 2, R2 is multiplied by 3. R1 is going to be changed. The R1 is multiplied by 2, R2 multiplied by 3, the value will be equal. The denominator, you will use any other idea. Multiply by 2, divided by 2, adding, subtracting, you will do any one of them. Any other row or column you will do in any method. That's why this is one of the problems. By using the fundamental property, we have so many problems. This is not only statement only. You must know this idea, that's all. The proof also is there, but in our business math, without proof only given. That's why you must know the concept of the properties. Whenever the denominator is simply ABC, again ABC, 1, 2, 3 will come in, here and here will be equal, total 0. Without expansion, put 0 in this way. Suppose you will interchange any two rows or columns are interchanging, the value will be equal, but opposite, that's minus sign. In this way, by using this idea, this is the main problem. Fourth question, already question number 1, 2, 3 over. Find the value of denominator of AB if A equal to 3 minus 1 to 1 and B equal to 3, 0, 1 minus 1. Am I right? Here, now, first find AB. Afterwards find A, denominator of AB. First find AB, no? A minus B matrix. This is called product of two matrices. Already you know the intellectual idea. For you want to multiply both the matrices means rule is there. First row with first column, first row with second column. Second row with first column, second row with second column. Now multiply 3 3s are 9. Immediately next one is what? Minus 1. Here next one is what? 1. Minus 1 and 1 minus. First one over. Give the space next first row, second column. 3 zeros are 0. Minus into minus plus 1 to 7. Here also, second row first column, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 to 7. Here, 2 into 0 0, then 1 into minus 1. Now simplify. This is called product of two matrices AB. Now, denominator of AB has to know. Denominator 8 into 2 into minus 2. Here put the second line. This is called matrix. This is called denominator. Now multiply 8 into minus 2, minus 6. Formula again into minus. 7 to 14. Adding minus 30. This is the answer. This second question is very important. Two more questions. Now next question, already told you solve. Two questions solve. Solve means what meaning? Already told you no. You must find the unknown quantity. Now this is unknown. What is given? This calculate the answer. It's a base. First one is what? 7 is there. The 7 row column cancel. The remaining elements are 5, x, 3, 1. Am I right? Or always write the question first. That's very important. Given 7, 4, 11, minus 3, 5, x, minus x, 3, 1 equal to 0. This is given. Now which implies 7 into the row column cancel, the remaining 4 elements are 5, x, 3, 1. Am I right? Then this is going to actually what? First row, second column. First row, second column. 1, 2. That is adding both 3. Odd number. That's why negative will come. Already told you in middle term, whatever may be change sign. That is minus 4. Now the 4 row column cancel. The remaining elements are minus 3x minus x1. Last one is what? Plus 11 into the 11 row and column cancel. We get the answer minus 3, 5, minus x 3 equal to 0. This is very, very important. You will consider minus also very carefully. That's very important. Now 7 into cross multiply 5 and 7. Immediately minus 3 into x is minus 4 into minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Formula again minus x into minus x minus x square. Already minus no plus x square. Plus 11 into multiply minus 9. Formula again minus 5 into minus x minus x 5x. But already minus plus x. Now simplify. 7 5 are 35 minus 21x plus 12. Multiply this number, this number. This number, this number. Next minus 4x square. Here minus 99 plus 55x. You write the equation in order. Arrange in order. First one is minus 4x square. Next x time no. This is the x time. 55x minus 24x. That is what? Plus 34x. Am I right? Number. What are the number? These two numbers are plus actually. 35 plus 12. 35 plus 12. 47. Now minus 40, 99 plus 47. Subtract 2. Here 5. Minus 52. Minus 52. In this way, you will form the equation in order. X square term, x term and constant term. Now solve this one. We get the 2 value for x. That is the answer. Now, here all the terms are divided by 2. This is possible. Because 34 is there, divided by 2, 70. Okay, 26, 2 times. And also, in for first time, we not only positive sign, that's why remove negative sign also. That's why divided by minus 2. Divided by minus 2, 2x square will come. Here minus 17x will come. Here plus 26 will come. Now, previous idea. Product of 2 number is what? Someone find it. Product of 2 number is what? 52. Sum of the number is what? Minus 17. Product of the 2 number is 52. Sum of the number is minus 17. What are the 2 numbers? You will guess. That's very low. What is the answer? 13 into 4. Am I right? 13 into 4. You want to multiply, 52 will come. But adding both with negative minus 17, no, put minus here also minus. Now, multiply both, check yourself. Minus into minus plus 13 4 52. Adding both minus 17. And also in front of x square 2 is no. After guessing the value, divide by 2. So minus 13 by 2. Here minus 2 by 2. Okay? Cancel. Therefore, your equation is actually x minus 13 by 2. Actually, last one is 2x minus 2. Last one is what? X minus 2. Now 2x minus 13 equal to 0. Product of 2 terms 0 means, the first term 0 means, x would what? Minus 13. 2x would 13. Minus 13 plus 13. X equal 13 by 2. This is the one answer. X minus 2 equal to 0. Up to x equal to another answer. In this way, we will get 2 values for x. That's very important. The same question is important 3 more question. Expansion is the same thing. But here, expansion is quadratic equation x. Algebraic idea. Therefore, solving this equation, we get 2 values for x. That's all. Now, question number 6. This is the question very important question. Evaluate 1a, a square minus bc, 1b, b square minus ca, 1c, c square minus c. Now write the question. Which implies, what property is there? Fifth property actually. In the determinant, sum of the 2 or more terms involving, you write the sum of the 2 or more determinants. Inside the determinant, sum of the 2 elements involving, you will write sum of the 2 different determinants. That is what? The 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, G, same thing. Here, difference of the 2 terms are there, no? Sum of the or difference of the 2 terms, no problem. That is not a matter. What are the first element? A square, B square, C square. This is what term. plus once again 1 1 1 A B C. What is the next element? Minus B minus CA minus AB. This is the one property. Very important answer. Suppose a 3 term, one more term, ignoring me, you write one more denominator. This is the idea. You want two terms are there. That's why you write in terms of two denominators. Suppose 3 terms are not me, you write 3 terms. Now 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square the same thing. No change. Otherwise, you know any one of the row or columns are having common mean technology. Actually, in matrices, all the elements are having common number means technology. Or otherwise, one number is multiplied, you will multiply all elements. But it didn't mean any one of the rows or columns are having common element mean, common number mean technology. Here no one common, but here you see this is the third column, no? Minus common, technology side, automatic minus into plus minus. We get 1 1 1 A B C. Here B C C A B. Give the reason. Take minus 1 from C3. This is the reason. This is called first column, second column, third column. In third column, all are having minuses common, take outside. That is minus 1 take outside from C3. This is the reason. Next is 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square. Next minus here on minus. Now you want to simplify. That's why here first one is what? B is there, C is there, A B is there. Here suppose you want to be A, that means what? A B C will come. Here what is B means A B C will come. Here what is C means A B C will come. All are having common A B C, you know. That's why multiply. This is the reason actually. Multiply R1 first row, comma second row, comma and the third row by A, comma B, comma C respectively. That means what? In first row you want multiply A. That means what? 1 will be A square, A B C. 1 A square, A B C. Automatically divide by A, that's important. You want to multiply A, divide by A. That is the rule, you know. Suppose you want to add mean, subtract. Multiplication means division. In second row, multiply B, you know. So B, 1 will be B square, A B C. So B square, A B C. Here also divide by B. Again, the third row is multiplied. C means A, no. C square ABC. Divide by C. Am I correct? Now once again, the first one is same thing. No change. Minus here 1 by ABC is there. Again, in third column, all are having ABC, you know. Take one side. What is the remainder? A square 1. B square 1, C square 1. Am I correct? Give the reason. Take A, B, C from C3. This will be cancelled. Am I correct? Once again, 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square minus. Your first term is what? 1. That's why interchange this only no. Interchange. This is column 3. This is column 2. A, B, C no change. Column 2 and column 3 are interchange. Or here 1 will come. Here A square, B square, C square. No. What is the reason? Column 2, the column 3 are interchange. This symbol. C2 which implies and implied by C3. What I told you, any two rows or columns are interchanging, value will be equal but opposite sign. Already I said no, plus sign. Once again, 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Here, we want first order, you know, here be A square, B square, C square, no change. If ABC is there, what one is there? Interchange. Okay. This is called C1, this is C2, interchange. 1, 1, 1, here A, B, C. What is the reason? The C1 is C implies adverse C2. And we plus that. C1 and C2 are interchanging. What is the property? Any two columns are interchanging. The same value will come but opposite sign. What is the sign? Minus plus. Now, this side is equal to 1A square, 1B square, 1C square. Here also, 1A square, 1B square, 1C square. Both are equal but they are minus. But automatically 0 is not answer. Important 5-1 question, give the reason clearly, then only we get the answer. First property, inside the determinant, sum of the two elements are involved in any one of the rows or columns are having, sum of the two elements are involved in me. You will split to sum of the two determinant. That idea. Then any one of the rows or columns are having common mixed diagonals. That idea. After this, we want here only know. That's why multiply any of the rows or columns are multiplied with some number being divided by the same number. That is the rule. First row multiply A divided by A. Second row multiply B divided by B. Third row multiply C divided by C. In this way, multiply R1, R2, R3 by A, B, C respectively. You want to multiply one element mean that element should be multiplied only by any one of the row or column. That's important. Not all elements. Any one of the row, you want to multiply first row alone. That's important. That's all. This question also 5 mark question. 5 mark or 3 mark. Important question. The page is the brief area only. Now start the question. Start with the question. 1 by A, B, C, B plus C. Next side. 1 by B, C, A, C plus A. 1 by C, A, B, A plus B. This is the question. Now, previous idea. Here, fraction is there. 1 by A, we don't have fraction. That's why here multiply B. Multiply means not only multiply A. Here multiply A. That's first row. That's why give the reason. Previous idea. What is the reason? Multiply R1, R2 and R3 by A, B, respectively. That means what? The first row is going to be A, second row is going to be B, third row is going to be C. Automatically divided by A, divided by B, divided by C. That means 1 by A, B, C. Now, here multiply A, no? 1 will come. A gets no? A, B, C will come. A, B, C will come. Here multiply A, B plus A, C will come. Am I correct? A, B, A, C will come. Automatically divided by A. First row forward. First row is multiplied by A. All elements are multiplied by A. The A is divided by A. Here multiply by B, no? Second row. Already mentioned clearly. Multiply R2 by B respectively. B. Here divided by B. Multiply by B means here 1. Here CA is already A, B, C. Multiply by B, no? BC plus A. Again, the third row is multiplied by C. Here 1 by C into C. 1 C is cancel 1. A, B, sir, A, B, C. Here C, no? Multiply by C, no? A, C plus B, C. Divided by C. Am I right? Now, in this column, no? All are having A, B, C is common. Second option. Already 1 by A, B, C is there. Here 1 is there. This A, B, C, you know, second outside. 1 come. Now A, B plus A, C remain the same thing. P, C plus A, B. A, C plus B, C. What is the reason? Give the reason. Take A, B, C from C2. Am I right? This is the second column. In second column only A, B, C is common. So A, B, C cancel. What is the remaining term? This is what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, 1, 1. AB plus AC, then BC plus AB, then AC plus BC. That is what? 0. What is the reason? Column 1 and column 2 are identical. This symbol. That is the answer. That's all. Hence school. Am I correct? Any two rows or columns are the same. That is what identical means. The value of will be 0. That is the answer. That's all. Question number 8. This is also 5 mark or 3 mark. Important question. Prove that minus a square AB AB minus b square BC, AC BC minus c square equal to 4 times a square b square c square. Now start with the question. Minus a square AB AC AB minus BC square BC AC BC minus C square. This is a question, no? This implies, listen here, take in first row, no? In first row, A is common. Take A, B, C from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Am I right? In R1 is what? First row. In first row, all are having A common. Take note. Say remaining terms are minus A take no plus B. A take no say no C. In B, take B from R2. Yeah, next one. Yeah, B common. What is the remaining term? A is minus B, C. Again, in third row, C is common. I can say R2 remaining terms are A, here B, here minus C. Am I right? Actually, column 1 A common, column 2 B common, column 3 C3 common. Take A, B, C from C1, C2, C3 are also possible. But I am taking start with the row. Now taking column is common. Already A, B, C is there. Now in column wise, what is common? A common. Take what say? A take what say? What is the term? Minus 1, 1. Here, B is common. That is what? 1 minus 1. Here, C common. 1 minus 1. Here's the reason. Take A, B, C from column 1, column 2, column 3, respectively. Am I right? Now, ABC in the ABC, A square, B square, C square. Next say, you will expand, you get the answer. Before expansion, you want to make at least 2 zeros. Then expansion is easy for you. Usually, inside development, you will make at least 2 zeros. Then expansion is easy. Now multiply here. A square, B square, C square. Now, minus 1, 1. This is correct what? C1 is fixed. C1 is fixed actually. This is called C1, that is fixed. This is actually last property. The C2 implies this C2, no? This is what again? This is called C2. C2 is going to change C2 plus C1. Adding 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. 1 plus 1 2. In this way you want to be doing. You want to make 0, then expand this is easy for you. That's why already 1 minus 1 plus 1 is there. Adding 1 automatically 0, no? C1 no change. C1 actually no change. C2 is going to be change. C2 plus C1. Similarly, C3 also going to change. C3 plus C2 or C1. Whatever, no problem. Now adding 1. C3 plus C1, no? 1 minus 1 0. 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 plus 1 0. The corresponding element should be added. C3 is there. That C1 is there. But C1 implies that is what? The C2 only going to change. Adding 1 the right. Because the corresponding should be added. 0, 2, 3. Now expand. A square, B square, C square. Now expand, no? What is expansion? Minus 1 into the row column cancel. We get answer 0, 2, 0. Next is what? The middle term, what word we put minus, change sign minus 0. 0 is 0. Last one is what? Plus 0, plus 0. Something, that's it, 0. That's all. That's why you want to make 0. Otherwise, you are expand lengthy process, lengthy process. That's why you want to make 2 zeros, minimum 2 zeros. By chance, this problem 4 zeros are coming. Now expand this one only minus 1 into row column cancel this are right. Remaining ones are 0 into something, again 0 into something, these are right. Now expand this one, that is answer. A square, B square, C square, minus no, multiply by minus A square, B square, C square. Now expand 0 into 0, 0, minus 2 circle. Now minus 0 minus 4, minus 4, no. Now minus into minus plus 4, A square, B square, C square. That is answer. These are all the reason. It's very important. This also you modify 1%, 3%. But small concept